Hello, kids! Do you remember sounds of each vehicle? Welcome back to Fun Learning. Today, we will learn many amazing vehicles. Let's go!
This is a monster truck.
Yay! This is a monster truck. It has huge wheels and can crush cars in shows. Kids love its loud engine and big jumps.
This is a police car.
Police car. It helps police keep people safe and catch bad guys.
This is an ambulance.
Ambulance. This is an ambulance. It takes sick or injured people to the hospital quickly.
This is a car.
Car. This is a car. Families use it to travel from one place to another.
This is a fire truck.
This is a fire truck. It helps firefighters put out fires and save people.
This is a school bus.
School bus. This is a school bus. It takes children safely to and from school.
This is a garbage truck.
Garbage truck. This is a garbage truck. It collects waste and keeps cities clean.
This is a sports car.
Sports car. This is a sports car. It is very fast and looks cool.
This is a bicycle.
Bicycle. This is a bicycle. We ride it using pedals, and it is good exercise.
This is a scooter.
Scooter. This is a scooter. It is small, simple, and easy to ride.
This is a street sweeper truck.
Street sweeper truck. This is a street sweeper truck. It cleans roads and keeps streets nice.
This is a taxi.
Taxi. This is a taxi. It takes people to places for a fare.
This is a motorcycle.
Motorcycle. This is a motorcycle. It is fast, small, and fun to ride.
This is a dump truck.
Dump truck. This is a dump truck. It carries sand and dumps it out.
This is a train.
Train. This is a train. It runs on tracks and carries passengers.
This is a bulldozer.
Bulldozer. This is a bulldozer. It pushes heavy soil and clears land.
This is a tow truck.
Tow truck. This is a tow truck. It pulls broken or damaged vehicles.
This is a helicopter.
Helicopter. This is a helicopter. It can fly, hover, and land in small places.
This is an ice cream truck.
This is an ice cream truck. It plays music and brings yummy ice cream to kids on the street. Listen for the happy tune.
This is an excavator.
Excavator. This is an excavator. It digs big holes at construction sites.
This is a concrete mixer truck.
Concrete mixer truck. This is a concrete mixer truck. It mixes cement for building houses and roads.
This is an airplane.
Airplane. This is an airplane. It flies high in the sky and carries passengers.
This is a rocket.
Rocket. This is a rocket. It travels into space very fast.
This is a pickup truck.
Yay!
Pickup truck. This is a pickup truck. It carries items in the open back.
This is a snowplow.
Yay!
This is a snowplow. It clears snow from roads so cars can drive safely in winter. Look at the big blade in front.
This is a crane truck.
Yay!
This is a crane truck. It lifts heavy things using a long arm. It helps build tall buildings.
This is a forklift.
Yay!
Forklift. This is a forklift. It lifts and moves heavy boxes easily.
This is a high-speed train.
Yay!
Is a high-speed train. It moves very fast on tracks and carries people between cities quickly and smoothly.
This is a tractor.
Yay!
This is a tractor. Farmers use it to plow fields and grow crops. It is strong and works on farms.
This is a van.
Yay!
Van. This is a van. It is used to carry people or goods easily.
This is a police bike.
Yay!
Police bike. This is a police bike. It helps police move quickly in traffic.
This is a speedboat.
Yay!
Speedboat. This is a speedboat. It moves very fast on the water.
This is a submarine.
Yay!
This is a submarine. It travels underwater and explores the deep ocean where fish live.
This is a cruise ship.
Yay!
Cruise ship. This is a cruise ship. People travel and enjoy holidays on it.
This is a military truck.
Yay!
Military truck. This is a military truck. It carries soldiers and important equipment.
This is a camper van.
Yay!
This is a camper van. People travel and sleep inside it. It's like a small home on wheels. This
is an airport shuttle.
Yay!
This is an airport shuttle. It carries passengers to and from the airport with their luggage.
This is a jet ski.
Yay!
Jet ski. This is a jet ski. It is a small, fast vehicle on water.
This is a parachute.
Yay!
Parachute. This is a parachute. It helps people land safely from the sky.
This is a food truck.
Yay!
This is a food truck. It cooks and sells tasty food on the street. You can find burgers, fries, and more.
This is a hot air balloon.
Yay!
Hot air balloon. This is a hot air balloon. It floats gently in the sky.
This is a glider.
Yay!
Glider. This is a glider. It flies in the air without an engine.
This is a container ship.
Yay!
Container ship. This is a container ship. It carries goods across oceans.
This is a limousine.
Yay!
This is a limousine. It is a long luxury car used for special events like weddings or parties.
This is a dirt bike.
Yay!
Dirt bike. This is a dirt bike. It rides on rough and muddy roads.
This is a bus.
Yay!
Bus. This is a bus. It carries many passengers together on the road.
This is a container truck.
Yay!
Container truck. This is a container truck. It carries big containers on roads.
This is a car carrier truck.
Yay!
Car carrier truck. This is a car carrier truck. It transports many cars together.
This is an airport cargo truck.
Yay!
Airport cargo truck. This is an airport cargo truck. It carries goods at airports.
This is a fishing boat.
Yay!
Fishing boat. This is a fishing boat. It is used to catch fish in water.
This is a double-decker bus.
Yay!
This is a double-decker bus. It has 2 levels for passengers. You can sit upstairs and enjoy the view.
This is a cable car.
Yay!
This is a cable car. It moves on cables, often up hills or mountains. It gives a beautiful view from above.
This is a road roller.
Yay!
Road roller. This is a road roller. It makes roads smooth and flat.
This is a box truck.
Yay!
Box truck. This is a box truck. It carries goods inside a closed box.